summer. The summer that I've been waiting for all year. What did I do? Nothing. Then I'm just gonna do a stupid like DIY. I don't know. I just felt like this is a horrible intro, but I just felt like I wanted to do something. It's fucking DIY, of course. I just kind of like want to do an outfit with, I don't know, grandpa's breakfast, because it includes newspapers. I went to the dollar store to get a little bit of equipment, things that I might need for this DIY. And first thing, it's not even for this DIY, I just needed those. Yeah, first thing, button puncher. Because I kind of want to make something that requires holes. Trigger warning. Ah! Imagine if I was a therapist. I think this is jail worthy. If your patient comes to you with a phobia and you're like, nothing's been funny all week. Oh, am I kidding? This is kind of claustrophobic for me because lately I've developed like a little bit of fear of suffocation and actual suffocation. Like I do suffocate and I'm afraid of it. So anything that is kind of tight on me makes me want to rip my hair out. Okay, I'm actually trying not to convince myself to freak out. I need scissors. Fucking hell. You know, my favorite brand is Vivienne Westwood. And you know what Vivienne Westwood's known for? Corsets. I can't even fucking wear those, I might die. I don't even want to talk about that. Sorry, I can't talk, wait. Oh, get me out, get me out, get me out. What is this? What's that? What is this? I don't like it at school. This corset might not be very snatching. I don't know what to tell you. I just need to see the difference. I feel like this made me thicker. If you function with inches, get out of my videos, because in here we function with centimeters and it's 64. Where the fuck is even my waist? I can't. Okay, yeah. So 71. It's gonna work. It's gonna work out fine, I promise. Like, it's gonna work, as in I'm gonna have a shape. It's just not gonna be my fucking shape. Yes, this is a bag of underwear, but inside I have cut a billion pieces of newspaper, which it's gonna be a waste. Pessimistic, stop it. Okay, I have these in here and glue with water. Oh, I didn't even explain why I'm doing this. I can't be going around with boobs like these. It's not even about the size. It's about like it goes a little bit like this. And then it's like flat, and then like this. It's very. Then I'm gonna take this, stick it like this. This is gonna be so fucking unflattering. I can already see it. And then a little bit of this. I'll get back when the result is done. I cannot do this in silence. I need to listen to something. It's not looking great. Let me show you. I don't know. I fucked up something somewhere in there. I just don't know exactly what it was. I look like I've been through it, huh? Oh, look. By the way, this is a quirk of mine. I don't know. This is too much sharing. And the thought process is I need this to dry out a little bit, okay? And then I can like attach the two parts to make something. I don't know. I'll see, okay? At this point, if the corset thing doesn't work out, which I fully believe it's not gonna, I can make like underwear, like a bra and I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna be cleaning. Normally, I'm not really a quitter. However, after a day of it curing, this is what we got. Now, I don't know, this doesn't look very promising to me. I don't know, what the fuck is this? I thought it's gonna be like more solid than this. This feels a little bit floofy. I'm kind of disappointed. The bra, all I gotta say is like, this is my size. This is my, but now I gotta like stick it together, and I don't even know where to begin. Know what I mean? It's just like, this is bad. Yeah, I'm gonna just start doing the underwear. This ain't gonna cut it. I'm not gonna have it like this because I'm not gonna add any zippers. I'm just gonna cut it in here, which will allow me to tighten it and make it more flattering on my butt. gonna work at all. This is a stomach cast. It's not even... This is doing exactly the opposite of what a corset would do. Damn it. Listen, the method is correct. I just did it wrong. And that's it. And I am gonna commit, whatever. I'm gonna keep doing this thing. Even though I'm like not convinced at all. So we're just gonna have a backless moment. This is not that funny. I was just laughing because in my head I thought it was gonna be a piece to be remembered, and maybe this is gonna kickstart my fashion career. And the thing is, I can't even be mad about it. I know for a fact that I half-assed this shit. I can't be mad. Like I'm okay with it because I genuinely like should have made so much more effort. You know what I mean? I just want it to be a little bit messy. So maybe in here. Now that I got my holes, that I feel like they're pretty even. Okay, this doesn't matter. Okay, it's just like the holes are pretty even, and I eyeballed the whole thing. If I take this, okay, stay with me now. Stay with me. It's just like a regular corset. I'm acting like I invented this new thing. It's just fucking corset and a failed attempt at that. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Okay, dare I say this is more suffocating than me wrapping myself in saran wrap? I wanna cry. No, I actually wanna cry. Wait, let me relax. No, okay. I was gonna rip it and this whole video would have been scrapped. I mean, it qualifies to be scrapped right now. 9 inches. And for this, I kind of don't feel like sticking it anymore. I kind of want it to be floating by itself, you know what I mean? So let's punch more holes in this bitch. Ta-da! I'm trying. I'm doing all of this with 0.5 of my will. Like, it looks like a dumpling. Okay. Let's see. Looks like I asked the kid to draw an outfit and I just made it exactly the way they drew. Okay, but for real, I just wasn't able to like tie up the bra as tight as I could because, okay, I didn't even notice the back. But you know what, if I managed to tie it the right way, it actually fits super well. Like, look at this. Perfect, beautiful. I don't want to finish this. I want to cry. This is so ugly. Okay, well, it broke. You know what? I hope you had a good laugh with me. I don't know what to say. Just maybe if you're gonna do this DIY, do it better. I didn't even get to use my hot glue gun. Now, who wants to watch Love Island with me? Me. Today's Casa Amor. Love Island's episode was crazy today. However, it's almost midnight and I'm looking to apply to Vogue summer school. Yeah, that's one of those nights where I need to do everything and I can't do nothing. I can't sleep and I feel like I have to figure out everything that's gonna happen in my life for the next 10 years and so frustrating that everybody's asleep and nobody's working. How dare everybody just like rest and not be there for me? I did a lot of things and now I'm looking into doing my taxes and applying to Vogue summer school. Yo, I need to cook something. I just remembered that I don't have a lunch tomorrow. Fuck it, a cube of butter in the middle. It'll spread out eventually. Anyways, 100. Yeah, that seems about right. Bro, it hasn't even been a full month ever since I turned 23. It's already shit. Everybody been telling me to keep my energy, to stop stressing myself, to hold my horses. My horses been held since 2022. My horses are deep asleep. They've been in a coma. They're stable. They're... Rinked and burnt to a fucking crisp. Oh, yes. I forgot salt. It's general, like, it's like dog treats. It's not even funny. I don't even have the base. I don't have bread for a sandwich. I don't have rice for rice. Bro, it looks like melted plastic. What does one do? Do I just like medicate myself and go to sleep? Wee, that was a long day of dilly-dallying and leaping and glorping. Did nothing. Absolutely nothing. And now I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I can't handle any other second awake in this bitch. It do be like that sometimes, unfortunately. And you know what? You just have to convince yourself it's mom. What am I giving pep talks for? Have I watched the beginning of this video? I was basically losing my mind the whole day. I did this to myself, actually. What did we learn today? You tell me. I don't know. You tell me what did I learn? What should I learn from this experience? Daily affirmation. Let's do affirmations. I am sane. I'm already fucking lying, but it's affirmations. I don't have to tell the truth. I'm sane. I'm happy. Turn dark. It's turning dark. Wait, hold up. Next affirmation, real quick. Think of something before you get depressed. I am not hungry. I am all of those things. I am hungry and I can't eat the meat because it's for tomorrow, and frankly I don't want to eat it tomorrow. I don't want to eat it ever. Okay, I am not hungry. I am abundant of energy and aura and fucking I'm a bad bitch with a lot to say, but nothing of it has value. What I say. What else? Shit. Oh, I have clean clothes next morning. I'm just stating facts. These are not affirmations, but I feel like next time I should do a video of like staying up for 24 hours. That ought to be fun. I feel like that would be entertaining to watch, because this is not even like I'm well rested. That's the thing. I'm well rested and I'm in this state. And I don't think it's that crazy, because I've been like, you know what? I've been like, oh my god, I'm so crazy, I'm so quirky. It's not even that crazy. But that would be fun. No? But that would be like tipping my toes into Emma Chamberlain territory. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know what? There's nothing wrong with that. I just wanted to be a little bit original. But then looking back at all my videos, nothing is fucking original.